Walking around the city of Rethymno on the island of Crete, I decided to take some photos and process them in a film style. For these purposes, I used a film-like color grading plugin, Dehancer. Dehancer is a film emulation plugin that brings analog film aesthetics into your digital workflow. It replicates the color science, film grain, halation, bloom, and even film compression, giving your photos a timeless, cinematic look. I want to show you the processing using the example of this photo taken at the port of Rethymno on the island of Crete. We see a lot of film profiles as well as presets created by the company. I chose Fujichrome Velvia 50 film for my photos. In the settings, we can control the exposure, contrast, and many other parameters to edit our photos. I like to add halation and grain to my film selection. I also add a bloom effect and vignette. To register and download the product, visit the website Dehancer.com. The registration link and discount will be under the video, in the description. Some tips for installing the plugin. In the Lightroom settings, check for the presence of the Dehancer plugin. If it is not there, then add it manually. In Lightroom Classic, you need to go Top Preferences, then select the settings of the external editor and specify in Application the Dehancer Lightroom plugin there. Dehancer for iOS brings the power of film-inspired photo and video editing right to your iPhone or iPad. With a rich collection of authentic film profiles, you can transform both photos and videos into cinematic visuals. Add realistic film grain, halation, bloom, and advanced color grading with full creative control.